Hi children, welcome back to our class. In previous class, we studied about crop. What is crop? When a plant is grown in, when a plant of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crop. Then crops are classified into two types. What are they? Kharif crops and rabi crops. What is kharif crop? The crops that are sown in rainy season are called kharif crop. In India, rainy season is from June to September. What are the examples of kharif crops? Paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton. The next one is rabi crops. What is rabi crops? The crops that are sown in winter season. In India, winter season is September to March. And what are the example of rabi crops? Wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Then today's topic, agricultural practices of crop production. The various agricultural practices of crop production involves 7 steps. First one is preparation of soil, and second one sowing, third manure and fertilizers, fourth irrigation, fifth protecting from weeds, and sixth harvesting, and last one is storage. Then we have to discuss preparation of soil. The first step of crop production is soil preparation. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth where plants are grown. It provides air, water, minerals, humus, etc. to the plants. Soil is prepared for sowing seeds by 3 major methods. First one is plowing, leveling and manuring. First, plowing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. When plowing is done by plow. The loosening and turning of soil by plowing is beneficial because of the following reasons. Plant roots can penetrate freely and deeper into the soil, and plants are held firmly to the ground. Loose soil helps the plant roots to breathe easily. Plowing turns the soil to enrich it with nutrients so that plant can use these nutrients. It also helps in removing weeds. Then next this leveling. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as for irrigation. Leveling of soil is done with the help of a leveler. Plowing is done with plow and leveling is done by leveler. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of manure with the soil. The soil is moistened before sowing. Next is then agricultural implements. In preparation of soil includes plowing, leveling, manure is done with the help of the various tools. This process is called agricultural implements. The main tools used for this purpose are the plow, hoe and cultivator. First we discuss about plow. It is the most ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds and turning the soil. Then in your textbook picture 1.1a, the plow picture. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals or horses and camels. It contains a strong triangular iron stripper. It's called plowshare. That means long wood and the triangular iron strip is called plowshare. The main part of the plow is a long log of wood. That means this plow's main part is long log of wood which is called a plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plow. And plow is is connected to animal's neck. The indigenous wooden plow is increasingly being replaced by iron plows nowadays. Then next tool is hoe. Picture of hoe. Next page, figure 1.1b, a hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong rod and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. That means hoe in plow is long log of wood. In hoe it's made of iron rod. Then it is working with bent plate and grip, handle and wheel. Then third one is cultivator. Nowadays plowing is done by tractor driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. That means this nowadays we have to use cultivator driven by